Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to have ChatGPT provide historical facts or trivia. So you're curious about uncovering historical gems with ChatGPT. First, start by promoting ChatGPT with a question like tell me an interesting historical fact about, and then insert your topic. Be clear and specific to get accurate results. So let's ask ChatGPT now. So I want to ask ChatGPT to tell me an interesting fact about Great Wall of China. Next, ChatGPT will use its vast knowledge to provide you with fascinating historical tidbits. Make sure to review the information to ensure accuracy. You can even ask follow-up questions to dive deeper into the subject. And that's it. You now know how to use ChatGPT to uncover captivating historical facts and trivia. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to have ChatGPT provide historical facts or trivia. See you on my next video. Before we wrap up, remember that history is like a treasure trove of stories waiting to be discovered. Use this newfound ability responsibly and share these intriguing nuggets with others. Learning from the past can truly enrich our present and shape a better future.